English of class 81. Today I am going to give a short speech about the significance of the National Youth Day. We all know that the National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th of January every year. But we are not sure for what reason we are celebrating it. Why should we celebrate it? Well, I'll say it. First, you all should know what is National Youth Day, right? As I already said you, the National Youth Day is celebrated on 12th of January every year. Also, it is the birth anniversary of our great leader, Swami Vivekananda. He was one of the most significant and distinguished personalities of India. The celebration of this day is to bring awareness among the people and youth of India. This day will always remind him to us. Our next question is, why should we celebrate it? What is the history behind it? Well, here's your answer. It was our government of India made the decision in 1984 to celebrate Swami Vivekananda's birthday as the National Youth Day. The government of India also quoted that the philosophy of Swamiji and ideals for which he lived and worked could be the best source for inspiration for the National Youth Day. So guys, I hope you might have got all the answers, and don't forget to make this day more and more beautiful. You should learn about Swami Vivekananda, his teachings, his philosophy, and not only reading up only for you, you should spread it to all others too. I hope you will do it, and I'd like to end my speech with a thought. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. Thank you everyone.
Jai Gurudev. I am Shyam Sundari from Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Senior Secondary School, Irangatkota. I am going to speak a speech on why National Youth Day is celebrated on Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary. National Youth Day is celebrated on January 12 every year in India to honor the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, one of India's greatest leaders and believers of youth power, celebrated as one of the greatest social leaders of the country. Swami Vivekananda was born on January 12, 1863 in Kolkata. The day is observed every year to honor the ideals and thoughts of Swami Vivekananda, who had been extremely vocal about the importance of youth in the process of nation building. He pushed for national integration in colonial India, and his famous speech remains the one that he gave in Chicago in 1893. In 1984, the Government of India declared this day as National Youth Day since 1985, and the event is celebrated in India every year. It was a decision of the Government of India taken in 1984 to celebrate the birthday of great Swami Vivekananda, that is 12 January, as National Youth Day every year. The Government of India quoted that the philosophy of Swamiji and the ideals for which he lived and worked would be a great source for inspiration for the Indian Youth Day. It is celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm at many centers of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission. The day is also observed by various NGOs. He personified the eternal energy of the youth and the restless quest for truth. Thank you.
Jai Gurudev. This is S. Vijayavakash of class 82 here to give you a speech on Arise, Awake and Stop Not Till the Goal is Reached. This is a famous quote said by Swamiji Vivekananda in the late 19th century. So, in our day-to-day life, we do things that does not lead to success. So, in this quote, arise means do not waste your time and make your time useful to make things that are innovative and creative that you might have not think yet. Awake. It's not you in sleeping and getting awake. It's your actions getting awake. I'm an engineer. But you may think that the doctor way is very straight. The engineer way is very straight. But that's wrong. You have many distractions around your way. From back, from front, from sides, many ways. But you stand there and overcome it. So from this quote, we understand that do something things that innovative. Don't waste your time. Awake your actions and achieve your goals. All the best for your futures. And this is once again S. Vijayavakash signing off. And thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.